Okay? 7-star on this leg here, right here. Now here you do the mantis here. Like the other one, he's doing this, so this is more effective. Okay? So it's like you just take him down like you sweep. That's all it takes. Okay? Alright, so where are you going?
Remember, you're not fighting, you just
learning the technique. Okay? Yeah, go ahead.
So it's like a...
No, you're doing the technique now. He's punching you.
Okay, so the idea is it's like a sneak.
He's gonna help you.
Like you just stand.
Alright, let's see. Alright, good, but don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. Control.
Somebody just comes up to you.
And I don't see no 7-star when you do that.
So like...
You said 7-star, didn't I? Do it again.
Waiting for the train. Like you're not paying attention. When you're paying attention.
There you go, good. Do not take him down all the way. I say have control. Control.
You just stand still, mind your business. And all of a sudden,
go ahead.
somebody just comes up to you and you just...
You're tall, you go down hard.
But remember to use the grappling. That's what we block here. Grappling here.
Yeah. Going down.
I know. Focus on...
Good, there you go.
So the punches come through.
Let's go. Let's see it again. If you know bumbo, you should know how this goes. Like you jump. 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 Good, but don't hurt him. I don't want you to get hurt.
The jumper? Oh yeah.
It's like 5 days at once. Just like
Don't fall prematurely. What let me do?
Relax. Remember, you're doing the technique. You're not doing the fighting technique. He is.
You're not fighting. You're waiting for the train. So you literally just. That's the whole idea.
Good.
You're like, oh, what do I do?
Good. One more time.
So I want you to grab. You want to grab the right.
Alright, good. Check it out. Keep working on that one. Alright, here's the next one. So pay attention. Get in your fighting stance. Here, it's the double grab it. Right here. Go. Step outside. Round, 2, punch. But watch. I'm going to step. See this back leg? I'm going to step in. Take him down. So look at it again in slow motion. Come over here to this side so you can see. So, he's in his fighting stance.
Take a step.
Double grab here. I'm stepping with my left foot. Then punch him here with the right. Right here, I'm stepping behind him. Take him down.
So
over the arm.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. So your turn.
I want you to
go.
You like, I mean,
No.
You like,
Right hand is first. Then the left. Now step, punch. Now no. Look at me. Right. Now turn yourself around. Take him down. That's what you need to do. Do it again.
Yeah, so it's coming at you. You know what you want.
The movement's like this. Look at me.
Then you let go, punch. Just punch from where you were. Punch.
Your left leg should be right here. No, left leg, right there. Now, Now, bring the other leg around. Bring the leg in. Now turn. Turn around. Got it? Look at it again. One more time. The first block is your right hand. Block the wrist. The second block is here where the elbow is. Then punch there. Then I step in. Come in like a big clothesline. Okay?
Yes, Sifu.
Ha! 1, 2, step punch.
Good, there we go.
Then, yeah, so there's 2 steps. This is the second step. Okay. Ha!
Good, there you go. Now you got it. Got it? Sifu Jason just explained it to you. Go. Step outside of the zone.
If it's down here, it's like...
No. You see, you step with the wrong foot. That's what I'm trying to show you. Step with your left. Ha! Now punch him. Now go in. Step in. There you go. Got it?
Remember when he strikes?
What's going on?
I use this part of my hand.
Ha!
But as this happens, do it again.
Ha!
Stepping through. And I hit him here. Once this happens, so he's turning, my arm naturally comes down like a gone style.
Good. All right, one more time. Let's see it.
1 point? Yeah.
Go.
That's
right. All right, let's check it out. All right, let's show them the next one. So watch. In your fighting stance. Now right here, watch.
Hey guys,
Block
guys,
with your right hand.
if you miss that
Step
hit,
forward with your
watch.
left
I'm gonna miss that hit. I want you to
Both
react.
arms
Okay?
here.
So maybe?
Punch him here.
Two.
But here,
No,
I
yeah.
clothesline, flip him off his feet.
If I don't hit him first,
Okay?
then I'm not taking him
So
off.
look
his
at it
leg.
again, one more time. I'm not gonna show it again.
Do it again. So
Come
one,
here.
two.
Block
and I
with your
strike
right,
here.
grab here.
That allows
Pull
him down
down
come
here.
here. For like that
Punch.
head and sleep.
Then, this leg goes behind the other leg.
Forward.
Around his neck. Take him down.
But you control the wrist and then you punch.
And when you get all three together,
Right, so you-
go. Then, you know,
Boom,
there's no
punch.
problem.
Yeah, and now you take it
I know
down.
this is
Boom.
different.
Yeah, there you go.
Don't
Do it
worry
again.
about it. Here, you know.
Ha!
Armando got.
You step in with the
You
right
gotta strike.
foot.
Strike to the face. You forgot
Yeah.
to strike.
Yeah, don't forget to strike. Again.
Hop, hop.
Now step in. There you go. You're taking 2 steps. The first step is the left, right here. Punch him here. Then the second comes in. You have to move more naturally.
Move 1 step.
Okay? So if I do this and I try to grab you right now from where you are, last step can happen. I want to hit first, come through, drive, through, and down.
Just like that.
There you go.
Keep that going.
All right, let's go. Come on. Let's keep going. Let's go.
Hop.
Yeah, now bring the other
Okay.
leg around.
There we go.
It's not sweet like
No. I just explained it. Look at it again. You messed up. You guys are messed up. Look at it again. Punch me. Go ahead. Step into the side.
You're showing your-
Punch him here.
showing your-
I bring this leg behind. That's where it is.
Yeah. I'm going
Go.
to the end,
You should be hitting me there.
Like you use your edge of your
Popping
hand.
it out.
Hop.
Yeah.
Hop.
There's a circular movement.
If I if I strike something to the neck with my hand, I don't do it with the fast part. I do it with this right here. Don't hit him like that. Same thing. Striking out.
There you go.
You're
Good.
gonna check
Do it again.
as you're stepping through.
Go.
See, drives you up. This leg should be out.
Good.
Like, see, and then from here,
Go.
super easy to just do this
Boom.
and bring you down.
Good.
Make sense? All right.
All right, come on. Let's finish it up.
Get Sifu.
Hop.
Good. You got it. Good. This one has timing. You gotta have timing.
Stop.
Go. Continue.
Hop.
Whew. Good. One more.
He ain't gonna like that because he can miss.
Hop.
So let's try again.
All right, you messed up a little bit. Try again. Remember, the double grab is on the arm. Double grab. Double grab.
Hop.
There you go. That's better. All right, now it's his turn. You punch him. You go from the outside where he's at. Go. Boom. Punch.
Huh?
And then step. Bring the other leg in. Bring the other leg in.
This one.
No.
This one.
Why am I pointing?
Sorry, Sifu.
Step into it. Step in.
Ah.
No. Wrong again.
Sorry, Sifu.
Do it again. Punch me. Here. When I punched him here, see this leg?
Watch his foot.
It went all the way in.
Yes.
Remember when you're strong? And you go to
I'm not gonna say it again.
Hit the knee.